This is Jen from Thread Honey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the seed stitch. The seed stitch is an easy fill stitch and is especially great when you're embroidering on clothing. This first step is optional, which is creating a perimeter on your shape using the back stitch. Because this shape is kind of irregular, I like outlining with the back stitch because it blends in well with your seed stitches and it creates a nice crisp edge. If you aren't familiar with the back stitch, I'll link my video below where I teach this method. With our outline now complete, we can move on to the seed stitch. Starting at any point in your shape, you want to create a stitch that's about 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch. Now moving your needle slightly, you'll create another stitch that's about the same length. So as you make these stitches, you want them to go in a lot of different random ways so that it doesn't look like there's a specific pattern. They'll slightly overlap. The more you overlap your stitches, the more thread you'll use, so you need to be aware of that. But we want to create enough stitches that the entire fabric behind us is covered. It helps to keep your stitches uniform in length. If you need to, you can go a little bit longer, shorter. And what makes this stitch so great about working on clothing is that because your needle is going through your fabric so many times, your stitches are really secure onto the clothing item you'll be stitching to. So that means that it's less likely to snag and get pulled because it has that firm bond to the fabric. You'll continue this technique over and over again until you've completed your pattern. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know below and I'll try to answer them. If you're interested in more embroidery patterns, supplies, kits, and tutorials, you can visit my website at thethreadhoney.com.